So Crazy Egg has its own web analytics feature, which gives you access to traffic reporting, a view of where your visitors are coming from, and what device types they're using, as well as a real-time view on who's on your website right now, and access to instant heat maps. So first off, you can get web analytics for free with any paid plan or even the Crazy Egg free plan, and then installing Crazy Egg on your website connecting to GA4. You can, of course, turn on web analytics just by installing Crazy Egg by one of the main methods on here as well. But you can also integrate GA4, that is Google Analytics 4, and that will pipe your Google Analytics data into Crazy Egg and then give you access to your existing GA4 data, but in a simplified dashboard, which makes it a lot easier to read than GA4's own very wonky interface. You won't get access to things like the Astromap or the instant heat maps through GA4 integration, which I would suggest doing the regular installation methods for. But with that, with any Crazy Web Analytics account, you'll get access to these high-level metrics, and if you have it installed the regular way, you'll also get access to this Astromap, which is showing people who are on your website right now. These little figures of astronauts and aliens are individual visitors on your website. Each planet they're standing on is a page, and you can kind of see, actions they're taking, like taking a click, having an error, doing a scroll, things like that. You also see rockets going across the top. That's new traffic coming in from Refer. So you can kind of visualize your visitors live right now, what they're doing, and where they're coming from. But even if they set this to the date range to a different date, you'll get access to all these high-level metrics, along with a time series report on how much traffic you're getting per day, and you'll get access to a whole bunch of different features. That'll include all these different drill downs for where traffic's coming from, nurse returning pages, entry pages, which is landing pages, countries, channels, traffic sources, things like that. You also get some AI analysis as well. And what we've basically done is we've taken a lot of that data, we've formatted it to express all the different segmentations, all the different kinds of visitors that are coming to your site. And so as a result, you'll get an AI analysis in plain language of what's happening on your site and what insights you should take away from it as far as your marketing strategy goes. With any given drill down, you can not only see the top values right here, you can also go to any specific drill down by clicking the right arrow here and getting a data table for each of these drill downs. So I can get not just those metrics, but metrics like visitors, page views, sessions, out session duration, bounce rate, and I can search for individual breakdowns here as well. You can export any data table to CSV by clicking the button here. You can also share this particular view with a share link that'll give access to this report to anyone who doesn't have a Crazy Egg login, but who you still want to give access to this specific report for. Now, the other thing that you'll get for free with Analytics is a feature we call Instant Heat Maps, which I cover in detail as well. This will basically give you a very quick and convenient heat map for what's happening on one of your pages by clicking the View Instant Heat Map fire icon here. This will take a small sample of data that's been tracked for the last 30 days on the given page and give you an initial heat map to show you, hey, maybe there's some initial traffic and click activity that's worth tracking. But it's only a small sample, and it doesn't go in depth. If you want to go in depth for what's happening on your pages, I recommend going over to regular heat maps and creating a heat map report there. Once again, Web Analytics is completely free for everyone. You do not need a credit card in order to sign up for it, so I suggest setting one up and then either installing Crazy Egg to start tracking on your website or integrating your GA4 properties.